Hi everyone and welcome back. So battery information regarding Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Watch 6 just got leaked and I'm excited to say that we will be seeing even bigger batteries with Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Pro. Also I have a face from MD Watch Faces for giveaway that you can check out. Limited coupons are available, so just drop a thumbs up and comment down in the comment section to be selected as a lucky random winner. The image that you are seeing right now is the battery for upcoming Galaxy Watch 6 40mm and it is about 5.7% bigger than last year's Galaxy Watch 5 40mm. This means that Samsung is going to increase the battery capacity across Galaxy Watch 6 lineup by 5 to 10%. Plus, according to Vice Universe, Samsung will introduce curved display with Galaxy Watch 6 and there is no information of flat display. Samsung is using flat displays on smartwatches for about 3 years now. If this is true, then we might see a pixel-style Galaxy Watch 6 with curved display, and this might be Samsung's first ever smartwatch to use mini LED display. These displays are even brighter than OLED displays, while still consuming a lot less power. So let's wait and see what Samsung does with their upcoming Galaxy Watch 6. Okay, now moving on to the watch face design. This is MD315, available on Google Play Store. Here we have a modern looking analog design which has a ton of information in the background like battery meter at the top, step goal that's present here. On this side we have our step counter, weather and sunrise sunset indicator, while this section shows week meter. Talking about customization, you can change a lot of things with this watch face. First you can change the style of watch hands, like this. Next you can change index style. Further you can change the color of heart rate monitor. And then you can change battery meter style present at the top. Then we have few background themes available here. Then date color. And in the end you can change the color of all the information highlighted in the background at once. So this is how you can customize MD315, available on Google Play Store. Check it out, and now let's see its always on display mode. Always on display mode with this face is kinda good. Only our watch hands are highlighted while most of the information in the background is dimmed down to conserve battery life. So that was all about for today's episode, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.